Good morning. I am Miss Jyotsna Keshri, facilitator in ML Khanna DAV Public School, Sector 6 Dwarka, New Delhi 110075. Today I am going to start Chapter 2 of Class 1, Subject EVS. Name of the chapter is Keeping Clean. Kids, do you know what is the importance of keeping clean? Keeping up good personal hygiene practices can prevent us from catching or spreading forms of disease or illness. Personal hygiene is also essential for a person's self esteem. So, do you want to be clean to become healthy and strong? Then, you should follow all these rules every day. Brush your teeth twice a day for at least 2 minutes with a good quality of toothbrush and toothpaste. Correct way of brushing our teeth is place the toothbrush against your gum line at a 45-degree angle. Move the brush back and forth gently in short strokes. Brush the outer tooth surface, keeping the toothbrush at a 45-degree angle to the gums. Brush the inner tooth surfaces still with the toothbrush at 45-degree angle. Brush the chewing surfaces. Use the top part of the brush to clean the inside surface of the top and bottom front teeth. Use a top up and down motion. Brush your tongue to remove bacteria and freshen your breath. Have a bath every day with a soap and wipe your body with a clean towel. Use a shampoo to wash your hair, and you should also comb your hair every day to keep it tidy. Wash your hands before and after every meal. Let's check out correct way of washing hands. Wet your hands with clean running water and apply soap. Lather your hands by rubbing them together with soap. Lather the back of your hands between your fingers and under your nails. Scrub your hands for approximately 20 seconds. Rinse your hands under clean running warm water. Dry your hands using a clean towel or air dry them. Always use hanky to sneeze or cough. The upper two pictures are showing wrong methods of sneezing or coughing. The lower three pictures are showing you how to sneeze or cough correctly. You can use hanky, you can use tissue paper, or if you are not having anything, then you can fold your hands and sneeze or cough between your arms. To be healthy, our surrounding must also be clean. So, throw the litter in the dustbin. So, by following all above rules, you will be clean, healthy, and strong. Now, this is the first page of lesson 2 in our EVS book. You can see so many pictures are given here which are showing how can we keep our body clean. First picture is showing that we should always brush our teeth twice a day. Second picture is showing we should take bath regularly. Third picture is showing that we should comb our hair to keep it tidy. Fourth picture is showing that we should cut our nails regularly. Next picture is showing that we should wash our hands before and after every meal. And last picture is showing that we should use hanky or tissue paper while sneezing and coughing. Now, this is the second page of lesson 2. You can see that how can we keep ourselves is being shown here. We need different things to keep ourselves clean. Bathing is the best way to keep ourselves clean. We use soap and water to wash away the dirt on our body. Then we use clean towel to wipe our body. We use toothbrush and toothpaste to clean our teeth. We use hanky to blow our nose and clean it. We use comb and brush to keep our hair tidy. We cut our nails short with a nail cutter. So, this is how we can keep our body clean to stay fit and healthy. Now, this is the page which we are supposed to fill. The first question says that with the help of the help box, complete the following sentences. You can see few words are given in the help box, and using these words we have to fill the sentences. We have to complete the sentences. First sentence is Ravi dash his teeth in the morning. What are we going to fill here? We will fill brushes. So the sentence is Ravi brushes his teeth in the morning. Second sentence, he takes dash every day. And here the correct word would be bath. He takes bath every day. Third one, he uses dash to wipe his body. Yes, the correct word is towel. He uses towel to wipe his body. Fourth, Ravi dash his hair. Ravi combs his hair. He drinks dash in the breakfast. He drinks milk in the breakfast. Second question is circle the correct word to form meaningful sentences. To be healthy, our body must be clean. We must wash our hands with soap. Clean teeth make us look nice. We must keep our hair combed. We use a toothbrush to clean our teeth. Question 3. I help to keep you clean. Write my name below the pictures. First picture is of soap. Second picture is of towel. Third picture is of comb. Fourth picture is of toothbrush. Next picture is of water. And the last picture is of nail cutter. Now question 4 is match the following. Tell me which body part we used. Question 3 says, I help to keep you clean. Write my name below the pictures. First picture is of soap. Second picture is of towel. Third picture is of comb. Fourth picture is of toothbrush. Fifth picture is of water. And the last picture is of nail cutter. Now, question 4 says match the following. Now, we use nail cutter to trim our nails. Comb is used to make our hair tidy. We use soap to keep our body clean. We use toothbrush to clean our teeth. And we use hanky to wipe our nose. Thank you.